Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add withdrawal address on Binance application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, to begin with, you need to open your Binance application. Once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the Binance icon. And from here, you need to tap on the setting icon right at the top right corner. So guys, on this page, you will find withdrawal address. You need to tap on that. And here, as you can see, there is no withdrawal address added here. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the whitelist, and from here, you need to enable it and you need to turn it on. So once you want to turn it on, they say verify it with the passkey. You need to verify that with a passkey, and it is done. Now the next thing you need to do is to tap on the plus sign, and here the first thing you need to enter is to select a coin. So once you tap on that one, here are the coins that you can select from. Suppose I selected BTC, and you can just tap on that one. They say set as a universal address. Okay, from here you can long press to paste the address here. So if you have your address and you already copy it, you can paste it here. You can use the QR code scanner icon and you can scan the address if you have the QR code. The next thing is that select a network. If you tap on here, so these are the available networks that you can choose from. Once you choose that one, there is the address origin. Select a platform. So once you tap on that one, here is if it is an exchange, you can choose that one, or if it is a wallet, so you can choose a wallet, and you can choose a platform from here as well. These are all the platform. Suppose you selected Binance and then confirm it. Here you can enter the wallet label, but that is an optional thing. If you want to add it, you can. If not, then this save option will be highlighted and you will have to tap on the save option and your withdrawal address will be added to Binance application. So guys, this is how you can add withdrawal address on Binance application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.